of the bands taking place in the forest, and it might could use your talents. Do it for the medal.
Oh, hey! Are you metal enough to help us? I'm Sinistrella, front woman for Talons of Boneflesh.
Hail Zygaxis!
Praise be unto his dark name.
Basically, we're the most metal band in the world, but our outfits and instruments could definitely be more metal. More spikes and horns and stuff. We were hoping you could help with that. Let's go with a natural material, like wood. But it's gotta be like evil wood, from an evil tree. You get me?
Did you just say evil tree?
Yeah, there's supposed to be this wicked evil tree somewhere in the forest. See if you can find it. We really need some new super metal style gear.
Whatever you say, weirdo.
Man, we're gonna look and sound so sick with this new gear. We'll show those posers in Plaguerat Apocalypse who's the most metal.
I heard that! You sniveling crap stain!
Yeah, I hope you did! You thin-skinned, rich boy metal wannabe!
Ooh.
And in the clearing,
Yeah,
you see a super, super, mega, crazy, evil-looking tree, and it's bleeding, and it's like what is it? But it's evil. You know it's evil. It looks evil.
Yep, that's an evil-ass tree right there.
And it's surrounded by
Skelly mages!
They attack!
Defend the roots! The bloody roots!
Ooh, I'm never getting tired of that.
The evil tree wards off your paltry ranged attacks. It appears you will have to get more up close and personal with its force.
Whoa! Is that tree like bleeding? That is so metal!
So metal.
Wait, is the wood still bleeding even after it's been hacked off the tree? How does that work? And for that matter, how does a tree even bleed in the first place? None of this makes any sense at all.
Is this all the spooky ambience I've been seeing sending for y'all?
Yes, that should do nicely. Very nicely indeed. Bring it to us. The Talons of Boneflesh are getting a metal makeover! Wait, maybe we don't metal at all. What should we call it?
Oh! A dark! A dark! Some...
Yes, I can feel it. Our dark demonic Lord Zygaxis is most pleased. Look how he blesses us with sick-ass new gear!
Hail Zygaxis!
Praise be unto his dark name.
Now, adventurer, let us reward you with a song. Prepare your ears as well as your soul. Hail Zygaxis!
Praise be unto his dark name. You feel the evil chords thrumming evilly in your heart soul.
Heart, soul?
It's a thing, shut up!
It's working! Our music is so metal, it's literally raising the dead!
What is happening right now?
The power of the metal is summoning dead boys!
Oh. Well, we should probably stop that though, right?
Probably. There's some loudifiers you can shut off.
Speakers?
The dumb one. Speakers.
These fans are getting a little active.
Custin' and blasted!
Oh, some of the undead seem to be lulled back to,
Skeleton that wants to be free. Don't worry. And again,
By his unholy name, our song was so metal we raised the freaking dead, you guys! Oh, I mean, yeah, that was pretty cool, I guess, or whatever.
you suck!
No, you suck, Archon!
Lady Infernum, don't. I got this. Oh yeah? Well, we just raised the dead! Top that, you whiny sack of diarrhea!
I will! I just need the adventurers' help first!
Ugh, fine. Go help him. This should be amusing.
So we're Plaguerat Apocalypse, and you've probably heard of us. We're like legendarily metal, but like, I can't believe you actually helped those loser sellouts in Talons of Boneflesh. But look, I can show them up with some real dark magic. I stole this page out of this powerful witch's grimoire. It's a spell called the Hellhammer. I just need you to gather the magical reagents. Here, take it. I'm gonna guess that I don't need to explain any of this stuff to an adventurer of your caliber. Even though I definitely know the actual reagents. I did try to conduct this spell with some clever substitution. Oh, it was overcooked by breakfast pastry.
Can't wait to throw some spells!
Oh, thoughts of a tyrant? Meant a tyrant's literal brain. Yeah, of course. I knew that's what it meant. I tried to use a passive aggressive sticky note my mom left me. Talk about a tyrant. I hate her so much.
Oh! A little warning next time would be nice.
An ancient obelisk juts from the ground nearby. Touch it not, my sweet, lest you summon a terrifying creature of dread power. This obelisk will summon a mushroom monstrosity, a ferocious fungus, an unignorable spore horror!
Turn my head into a bomb! He told you, then where you like a bomb go? You'll never win, hero! I'm going to eat your brain! wasn't yours!
Oh, of course. His literal eye. That makes sense. Which is a thing I already knew anyway. I tried to use the magnifying eyeglass my little sister uses to paint her dolls. Mom always takes her side. I hate her so much! Looks like you've gotten all the reagents we need. So get back here already! I need to show those tools how metal Plaguerat Apocalypse really is! Breathe it in!
Piss off to the hereafter! Cross my heart and hope you die!
So the cauldron is like ready for the reagents you got. Dump them in there so I can do my dark magics and whatnot. Okay, so like, stand back. Because I don't think you're ready for the face-meltingly metal crap I'm about to show you. This one starts with a totally sick as hell solo. You guys just come in after it, yeah? Demonic lords! Are you seeing this? Do you see how friggin' metal I am?
Huh. Guess this means the other band wins? Cartography. My first love.
Hey, so, what just happened over there?
They tried to cast a spell. Then they all died.
Do you know what this means, guys? We are officially the most metal band in the world!
We are so metal.
Super metal.
There's only one thing left to do. The most metal thing of all. Let me give you your reward, adventurer. For your services to the most metal band in the world, we give you the ultimate reward to be a human sacrifice to our dark demonic lord Zygaxis.
The band comes at you with a demonic frenzy. You have no choice but to fight for your life.
Whoa, that's my boy! Who's a good boy?
Don't do warning shots. Probably should have seen that coming.
Well, now you've gone and done it. How am I supposed to cause demonic mischief without a body to possess?
Zygaxis, I presume? In my defense, they did try to kill me.
You're right. I suppose this isn't on you. And, well, I guess you were only trying to help. Come, I will reward your efforts, but there's something I'd like you to do for me in return.